Alright guys, today I wanted to come on here and do a quick unbox review and setup on my new SofaBaton Universal Remote. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, so let's go and take a look at it. These are cool. You can customize them, control up to 15 devices, things like that. User manual. The actual remote. The batteries for it. All right, there it is. Has a nice display on there. So let's actually hook it up to the SofaBaton app. Setup is quick. Just open the app, select your device from the massive code library with over 500,000 options, and you're connected. Even if your original remote is lost, the app makes pairing effortless. It also supports both infrared and Bluetooth connections, so you can control a wide range of devices from TVs to stereos and projectors all through the same interface. But it gets better. You can fully customize your remote layout using the app, reassign buttons, rename them, and even rearrange everything to fit how you actually use your device. The real time saver is the macros features. In the app, you can program up to 10 commands on a single button. For example, one tap can power on your TV, turn on your receiver, switch inputs, and adjust the volume all in one sequence. It's like automating your entire setup. And thanks to the firmware update through the app, the U2 remote keeps getting smarter over time. You get new features, better compatibility, and improved performance. No need to buy a new remote every time something changes. In short, this app turns this remote from a single tool into a personalized command center for your entire entertainment setup. All right, as you can see, that whole setup was very simple with your phone and the remote. I do have 3 items already on here, which is the TV, the soundbar, and that portable speaker that I have down there. We'll start with the speaker. You can see it's very simple to use. So go ahead, I have it under portable speaker right on there. We'll go ahead and put the volume down on it. Could even mute it if we want to. We can play pause. Play, and then like I said, we can put up the volume, put down the volume. Very, very cool, very, very simple to use. This was one that I thought was neat, that you were able to control a portable speaker, so that way if you have your TV outside or anything like that, you're still able to operate it. So very cool, very neat. Let's go and actually try the soundbar now. It is a Vizio soundbar. And as you can see, I have 2 Vizio items on here. One does have the TV icon and the other one has more of like a receiver. So that way I know which one's which. But you are able to change the name on there as well. So I could have just put soundbar. But just for now, I'm going to leave it like that. We'll go ahead and actually select Vizio, the soundbar. And we'll go ahead and hit play. Awesome. Do all that. Very, very simple. This one I didn't do it through the remote. This one I just found it through the database on the app, and like I said, downloaded it within a couple seconds, and then it was good to go. And then last but not least, we'll go ahead and do the TV. So we'll go ahead and move it to TV, and we'll go ahead and go back. Awesome. So there it is on the main screen. And like I said, I am able to operate the TV right here. If we want to go to basic TV, we'll go there. And there it is, basic TV. You're able to, like I said, work it all just like a regular remote, but instead of having, 3, 5, 10 remotes, you have it all on this one. Go ahead and put it on a different channel. All right, just moved it up a little bit, but as you can see, you're able to operate all the channels and everything like that. So very, very cool remote. So if you guys are looking for a new universal remote that could program up to 15 devices, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave that link down below. Highly recommend.